Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Silvercrest mini table vacuum cleaner. Quickly vacuums up dust and crumbs, great for dining tables, desk, worktops, etc. brushes on the underside. This is a very cute vacuum clean. Included, of course, we've got some batteries, 3 years warranty, on-off switch, easy to clean connection pin, brushes. And let's open it to see what we have inside. Well, it cost about 8 euros, very cheap, 8 euros. And I have too much curiosity to see how it works, this vacuum cleaner. And that was the purpose that I buy it. Of course, included we've got some manuals. If you want to read it, is your choice. Stay with me, we're gonna find out all about that. Red color, you can find it in black and gray. Brushes here, the on-off switch, and here goes the batteries. And you can rotate it and take out this cap. Inside you're gonna find out all the dirt that it will clean. And I can see it has a filter. Here you can see the mess from the filter. Oh, lock it. Nice. How we are going to test it? Okay, that is enough. You can clean your table, your workspace, your countertop, wherever you've got, wherever you need. Turn it on. Wow, it's doing a great job. I didn't expect that, but yeah, it's doing a great job. Well, let's put some rice, some heavier things. And turn it on. Oh. You can hear the sound. Turn it off. And there is all the dirt inside. Yeah, wow, it's doing a great job. Let's clean it. Well, and that was all. Well, if you need something like that, as I said, it costs 8 euros. And if you want to make an impression to your friends on your dinner, well, definitely that is the accessory and the gadget that you need to buy. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, is your choice. Share this video, you never know whom we need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.